In this video, I will be showing you how to turn an image into a coloring page in Canva. Let's get started. First, I click on the Custom Size button and select the 8.5 by 11 inch layout from my recent designs. Once the canvas loads, I head over to the Elements tab on the left and type flower into the search bar. I want to see all the photo options, so I click See All and scroll through the results until I find a vibrant hibiscus. I'll click to add it to my page and move it toward the center. Next, I click Edit Image in the top toolbar and select Magic Edit from the Magic Studio menu. I'll choose to apply this to the whole image and then type Make the image into a coloring page into the description box. Now I just click Generate. While the AI processes the request, it will take a few seconds to transform the photo into a clean outline. There we go. Now that I have my black and white line art, I'll click the back arrow to return to the image settings. To make the edges look a bit sharper, I scroll down to the Shadows section and select the Outline tool. I'll adjust the size slider down to about 6 to give the drawing a nice consistent border. Finally, I'll just resize the flower and center it on the page to finish the design.